the aerial camera and the mobile phone stabilizer, customizing the white balance to take good color video. Real video demonstration. This 4K video was shot using iPhone 6s MeMo app of DJI Mobile Stabilizer, no color post-production. Demonstration of the effect of the original color straight out. Nowadays the aerial camera and the 3-axis stabilizer have reached a very high level. The average user can shoot stable videos that were unimaginable before. Our lives are really more exciting day by day. However, aerial cameras and mobile phones, like all current cameras, often take videos or photos with wrong colors. This is because they all use automatic white balance, AWB, for real-time color calculation, once the white or multiple whites are not visible at the scene. There will be insufficient data and the calculation will fail, resulting in a video with color casts. And this color cast phenomenon will produce different degrees of color casts in different segments of the same video. It is impossible for photographers to correct all the different degrees of color cast in a movie one by one or at a time. The unreliability of post-production is more than that. The problems of their displayer calibration accuracy and professional post-producers' judgments on color are even more difficult to solve. The best solution is to use the Raynauld White Balance Magic Filter, DCC40 or Teles Pro, to measure the correct color temperature value of the shooting scene on the spot. And then enter the color temperature value into the custom white balance of the aerial camera or app. In this way, you can directly shoot a color-accurate video, just like this video demonstration. Almost all the current camera white balance of aerial camera or 3-axis stabilizer app are still at the level of the white balance function of digital cameras in the 2005 era, and cannot provide custom white balance tint value and on-site instant correction functions. However, for experts who always like to do color work in video post-production, it is not a problem. If the color temperature value in the film is correct, it is much easy to adjust to the correct or closer tint value, and get more perfect colors video works. The method of using the White Balance Magic Filter Teles Pro is very simple. Find an area with the most color-rich and the most complex colors near the shooting scene under the same light source. Just like these photos. Put the Raynauld White Balance Magic Filter Teles Pro towards the selected zone to cover the iPhone lens. Then use the iPhone's Light Meter app to measure its live color temperature. In the aerial camera or mobile phone stabilizer app, Custom White Balance, to enter the color temperature value by yourself. In this way, you can directly shoot a video with fairly accurate colors from an aerial camera or mobile phone without color drift. Raynauld White Balance Magic Filter is a global invention patented product. It is the only product in the world that can correctly apply the principles of physical optics to provide an accurate, counter-compensation value, for the camera to accurately calibrate the camera on-site white value to 0. Thus, the photographers can take photos or videos with almost perfect colors from their cameras directly without the needs for post-processing. Its design creates the application principles of physical optical light extraction of scene range limitation and pointing to light to accurately read the correct color temperature and tint value of the scene. Raynauld White Balance Magic Filter is the best and most accurate white balance filter in the world. It does not like a traditional flat white balance filter which takes light 180 degrees in the space that leads it to read the wrong white balance value for the scene. It does not like the so-called professional gray cards or white cards that use reflected light which always get the wrong color temperature and tint values due to the light contamination effect of the ambient light onto the cards. Raynauld White Balance Magic Filter enables you to easily take photos and videos with almost perfect colors, helping you to fully enjoy the true fun of photographing and video production. With it, The brilliant and true colors of the photo and videos you shoot would be absolutely the world's top. We believe that the use effect of Raynauld White Balance Magic Filter will definitely win your heart, and are pleased to provide global free shipping with 30-day unconditional return guarantee. Buy now and enjoy the beauties of your photo works immediately.